back to Beauty Freak. Wow. What?
Freaks?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Break. Before we even begin, I'm gonna just tell you should subscribe right now, and if you don't, then you're not a true fan, and we're very upset.
Please do. We need jobs.
But now, on to the episode. Yes. Today we're gonna talk about how awful it is when people take your stuff.
Exactly what she said.
Like an infomercial actor. You. I don't know about you guys, but I've had roommates in the past that eat your food and steal your Yeah.
Those people. Sorry.
It's okay. You're very passionate about it.
I am. I had my college roommates stole, first of all, my college career because I dropped out because they were so mean to me. But like so much stuff, like physical items, mentally.
Like I feel like I had a roommate that stole my shoes one time, and I don't really have a fix for that. But
I was gonna say it's always weird stuff. Like my roommates would borrow my watches. And I'm like, so for one day, you're gonna, like, that's an item people usually wear every day. Like, you're gonna go in and just
I'm gonna borrow
take
your iPhone for a week and just keep it.
And I was like, and you don't tell me?
I had a roommate in college, literally no idea what happened to her, not surprised at all. I lived in a place in Newport Beach with 5 girls. Constantly stuff would go missing, like a brand new pair of Roxy sunglasses. Okay, what the F?
The audacity!
No.
One day they were gone, and then they reappeared magically on the
always
couch.
it.
She said, I thought maybe I had taken them. Sometimes I get confused between dreams and reality, and I just... and I was like, I gotta move away.
So, I don't know how to prevent against stealing watches, per se, but I do have something for the much more important belongings, like alcohol.
Oh, yeah.
And my favorite,
Stop.
the ice cream lock.
I'm waiting for the days they put
Try
these.
and open that.
But I'm seriously waiting for the days that they put these. I know the code. I heard Bridget.
I
So
know.
I'm not gonna do it. No, but I'm waiting for the days they put these in mini fridges at hotels.
That would be so smart, and it would be nice because I hate mini fridges because they will charge you if you even move stuff.
Oh yeah,
But
where
it's like sometimes I need to see what else is in there, so I need to move it.
This works. What's the code?
It's sold from Ben and Jerry's.
It was off Amazon, but I think this is amazing. Aside from the fact that you could definitely.
Look what it says right there.
There's no you in my pint.
This is actually really funny. I got this in the mail from Bad Mom's
Christmas. I haven't seen that yet, but it looked good.
This would have kept me really sober in college. Because I just stole everyone's
Yeah,
alcohol
this
and
should be
drank
like
it. Maybe it's for smaller bottles, not wine. They're like, you can buy more wine, but you can't buy more of Fireball, hard liquor.
Yeah, it doesn't quite fit on the wine, but I don't drink wine, so this would fit nicely
that
on
seems-
a single Coors Light. I'd need a lot of them.
That seems like a big, top of the bottle.
Like a big guzzler.
Yeah.
I think parents should get this to protect their children.
True.
This is an interesting
Anyway,
tactic.
I think this is great because I think people do get desperate sometimes and they'll steal your booze. They don't want to go buy their own.
And if you're trying to do like a dry month or something, have
Someone else set the code. Ooh,
Very
that's a good
true.
plan.
Yeah.
This is a cute idea, but in reality, you could just chop it off.
That's true.
Have you ever seen people make ice cream sandwiches like that?
Yes.
So it's in the perfect little round.
I will say this, working in an office where we work, where there's so many people,
With,
I do find it to
peanut
be.
butter.
Oh yeah, the communal peanut butter has been many of the
She doesn't work here anymore.
But
I don't know if we
find
told
it to
you.
be
We're
personally even more disgusting that a literal person, anyone would just. I've had full on my own Pyrex stolen by people who want to eat my Brussels sprouts. I know they're tasty.
Do you put a
But
post-it
ew!
on it?
No, I didn't know that we adults had to do that.
I did that today. I put a post-it note and I said Megan's with a little heart.
Very smart. Ooh.
It seemed like the right time.
It's the right time.
Oh, no.
I love that spoon. Look how round
It's very
it is at the
round.
bottom.
It'd be great for soup.
It's a good soup
or
spoon.
cereal, because you can get a lot of floaters.
That's one of my favorite flavors.
I'll take a little bite. Might as well. I
Okay,
haven't
don't
had
worry,
ice cream
guys.
in
We
ages.
have more. So this is super gross looking, but actually you could have hid your watch in here, and I don't think anyone would want it. It's called a brief safe.
What? This is
Ew,
just
do they have, like, skid marks on
hiding
them?
your riches in your britches.
I didn't even read that. I just finished the rhyme.
The brief safe is an easy, effective way to keep all of your valuables secure and out of the wrong hands. It's perfect for storing money, jewelry, passports, electronics,
cute.
and more.
Ew. That's gross.
I'd be mostly
don't-
concerned that Jocelyn has these.
Also, did I
Ew,
poop my
ew.
pants? What is going on with this person?
Can we get a girl one that's just covered in blood?
Oh,
Like,
that would
that's
be-
what I want.
That is so
Ew.
many poo and pee stains.
No, as a woman, I want one that has period blood
What
on it.
kind of stain is, that's not, like
That
whose
person
pee-
is
like
not
they're
drinking
very
enough
dehydrated.
water.
I'm dehydrated in my pee.
Oh, that's a good sign. That's a good sign if that alarms you.
Dr. Pepper must have a decent amount of water in it, or it's
It's
the
a
Coors
Sprite.
Light.
It's a Sprite that you drink.
I haven't been drinking that much.
Coors
Sprite.
Light
Anyway,
is a
that
lot
was
of
the saving
water.
grace.
This is disgusting, but it would work.
It's literally making me hot and sweaty in like a way that it just makes me uncomfortable.
It looks pretty disgusting, especially when it's inside out.
For a second, I thought that there wasn't actually anywhere to put it,
Oh.
but it looks like there is.
Describe it
pocket.
to me. I don't want to look.
It's like where the dick would go.
Does anyone actually use
nice
this
little
slot when they pee, by the way? Do you guys like pull their ween through
I
that?
would totally do it.
Wouldn't you just like pull it all down? Like, isn't that
That's
just
what I
easier?
was thinking.
I would do that if I was a boy for a day.
Just
I
so
wouldn't,
free.
I wouldn't know just to like just whip my dick out. I
Well,
would
that
take
time-
my pants off.
So, like,
Insert
lesson.
What if I
from-
missed?
Insert the clip from when I tried the Go Girl and did do that.
Speaking
What
of
was
peeing
that?
standing up, did you see the new Jumanji?
No,
So
Nick
good.
Jonas is in
No,
it
but
though.
how is that relevant?
Oh my god, it's honestly one of the funniest. It's such a funny movie, but you should see it.
I'm gonna move this off.
Wait,
the
do you want to
table
put
so
any
it
of your
doesn't-
valuables in there, Megan?
No,
Inside
I
of
don't
this
wanna look, I don't
little
wanna look, I don't
slot
wanna look, I
right
don't
here.
wanna
Okay, so I have another gross one. This one isn't as authentic looking as the ones that I first saw online, but it was the only one we could get here. They're sandwich bags that have mold stains on them. These are not very realistic. It doesn't really look like this is moldy,
But I wouldn't touch it.
But here, I would,
it would work better for a sandwich to fill up the whole.
and also, if I saw that in
You
my
would throw it
fridge,
away.
I would throw it away
Yes,
because then
yes.
it's just contaminating my food.
I guess. So it
if it
depends
was
on who
like
you're hiding it
this,
from. If you're hiding it from
maybe?
someone that like
If
does
it's in
it,
like my book bag or something, but like, why are you going through my shit?
Exactly, but
And
they
why do I
are.
have a
don't
book
know.
bag?
honestly though, if like my roommate left, I would probably leave it in there for like a long period of time before
No.
cleaning it out.
Well,
if it didn't
because-
smell, then
No,
like,
but it
I'll
would-
let them touch it.
But it contaminates like your food too, even if it's sealed in that.
This is funny though. It's called thewittyYeti.com.
This is a stale bagel.
I'm like, maybe it is actually moldy.
Like it's just.
This
fake,
is
it's
a
prop.
cute idea, but honestly, maybe it's time to move.
Anyway,
Yeah.
moving on. What do you think this is?
Oh my
Is it
gosh, is that a
electric
brush
shock?
that'll pull someone's hair out?
I don't know. Do you want to try?
No,
No,
not
but
at all.
it's not. That sounds actually like a good idea.
There was a girl who called into my podcast talking about how her roommate was like stealing a bunch of shit.
You could hide money or
Oh,
something. in
that's
here. You obviously
smart.
couldn't hide anything like solid because it would like jiggle around. But if you had paper or something that was like,
Like your passport. Well, no, I was gonna say your passport.
yeah,
Like
just
all
roll
your
up
other
your
IDs.
passport into this. I think this is cool. I
Passport
don't really,
picture.
aside from cash, I don't really know what you do. But especially when you're traveling, and I feel like you have to be careful of what you leave out in your hotel room. This would like
A
no
good
one wants a
solution.
hairbrush.
Honestly, this is probably the best solution though, because no one's gonna touch this.
We have one more. Actually, we have two more. One of them isn't really a thing, but it was just like kind of relevant because Jocelyn got it for me for Christmas.
Oh, yeah. Honestly, there's been some crazy fires in LA this year.
Jocelyn bought me a fire safe for Christmas. That's how you know you're old.
Oh.
And I was excited about it.
Well, did they see the clip of the fire that happened at your house?
No, insert clip here.
That's crazy.
That happened. I woke up at like 4 a.m. to people like, get out of the building! And I'm
my
like,
God.
oh, and I had been sleeping naked, so I like got up and I'm just like half asleep, like,
Do I put on clothes?
where are my clothes? Do I have anything valuable to take? Like, I don't know. But I wouldn't even have to worry about that because you can put your passport and everything in the fire safe. I'm not gonna pick it up because it's heavy, but it's on the
very
floor right
heavy.
there. If you wanna.
That is a whole new level of lazy for the show.
What am I gonna do? Show the inside? It's a safe. This you hang in your closet, but you put it in one of your shirts so people don't see it, and then you can hide all of your important things.
That's really smart too.
Question.
Yeah.
Shh, it looks like a regular shirt.
Do you feel like hiding all of your important things in one area though? Like that's
Because then if someone finds it,
then
you're
they find
screwed.
literally everything.
Well, so you
Yeah.
hide some things in your dirty underwear, some things in here, some things in your hairbrush, and then the
Okay.
most important thing is here. This looks like just one of those jewelry hanger things that you can, like, that
Or
you
like
just hang
a-
up in your
See,
car.
that's what I would
vest.
say. Like, and I would go for that if I was like a robber.
Yeah, but the whole goal is that you put
But
this, like,
also
in
in
your
a
shirt,
shirt.
so then you wouldn't see it.
And at the same time, if you have one of these for your jewelry, you don't probably have expensive jewelry. You know what I mean? No, but I mean like if you have like real diamonds
No,
and
it's a
shit,
valid point.
you're putting
No,
them in
panic room.
boxes and like all that stuff.
true.
This is where I put my Forever 21 hoops and like feather earrings.
Oh, good feather though.
I
Those
had
are
feather
great.
extensions.
Where
in
do
my
the
Yes.
feathers come from?
Remember the feather trend that was huge, like extensions with feathers.
I
and-
totally
was never
didn't know
on board.
those.
Those were very, very cool.
Anyway, I think that's
Wow.
it for the episode. I think the biggest takeaway here is don't take your roommate's stuff or your
Rude.
coworker's stuff because it's rude.
And
But
it'll always come back to bite you in the ass.
if
for
you want to
sure.
protect your own goods, I think these are all pretty good.
And
Agreed.
If you live in a dorm or anything like that, don't be afraid to like tell your RA that your roommate is stealing stuff from you. You're saving somebody else from getting their stolen.
That's
Yeah,
true. I
in
will
the
leave you
future.
with one quick story from one of my old roommates that I used to be obsessed with Special K bars, and I would
So
eat
good.
like a few at a time. So I always bought the 12 pack. I bought it one day, and I came home the next day. The whole box
Gone?
is gone.
And you know because you
Actually,
time out
no, it
how
wasn't
to
even
eat
the
that.
whole box gone.
there,
The
like,
box
one
was
left?
there, and it was just empty. No. Empty. How weird. So then I texted my roommate. I was like, hey, I'm not mad, but just like out of curiosity, like if you have 1, 2, honestly, there's 12 in there. Have 5.
But 12.
I texted her.
Did you have a
sorry?
party?
I got hungry. I'm like, how much weed did you smoke? Because
So much.
12 in one evening?
You get sick of that flavor after eating like 5 of them. You're like, I've had my fair share. You couldn't sit and eat
I
12.
could maybe eat 12, but like, they weren't hers.
Did they do for you
Did
then?
she buy
like,
them for you? More?
No.
Those people.
I know.
Goodbye.
It's
It's so nasty. I don't like it. Hide it. Take it away.
honestly, you know what you should do? Give these to your roommate as a gift, and then they'll just move out. There you go. Problem solved. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Now click to the left to subscribe to this amazing channel because you love us so much. And then click to the right because I know you want to watch more. And on Beauty Trippin', we got IVs when we were really hungover, and it was kind of amazing.